Hello, this is Randy with Attach2. If you want to stay safe on site, switch attachments quickly, and keep your machine moving, the Sure-Grip Coupler is the option of choice for thousands of operators in the field. The Sure-Grip is built for uptime and safety. The fully automated locking system keeps your bucket in place and keeps your operators safe on the site. Fast attachment changeovers means less time fiddling around with pins and getting in and out of your machine on the job site, which reduces downtime. The very low maintenance, greaseless design means your machine is in the field running more and down less, so you're making more money. What makes it so effective? You can do quick in-cab swaps without the need to hop out of your machine and bang out pins to take your bucket off. On the Sure-Grip, you have the ability to reverse your bucket if needed. This design has only 3 moving parts, so that means less things to go wrong and less downtime in the field. This has one of the widest pickup ranges in the industry, so you have the ability to run more attachments in your weight class of excavator. Operators really love this because there's no getting out of the cab to switch things. It's very quick and easy, and there's no second guessing if your bucket is secure with the attachment lock. Business owners love this because there's one less headache, their operators can be more productive, and they feel more confident with this on the end of the stick. What's included in this attachment? This single cycle operation allows you to unlock, swap, and switch from attachments with ease. This is ISO 13031 compliant. There's a front lock mechanism and a rear lock in the spring to make sure your attachment always stays in place. In addition to this, there's an integrated check valve to prevent an accidental release of your bucket. This is built out of high-strength, lightweight S690 steel. It's got a squat design to maximize breakout force, and it also has a lifting eye on one end to give you extra functionality. What you get with Attach2 is not only an excellent product, but you have an awesome team internally here that provides excellent customer service, and they're very, very responsive. There's a full 3-year warranty, and we're ready to help at any time. Couplers are in stock and ready to ship anywhere in the US and Canada. If you want a safer, faster, and easier way to swap your attachments on your job site, contact us today for information and we'll get you the right fit for your machine.